The ice is melting and the ocean level is rising. This must be the most spectacular evidence of the rising temperature. Yes, ice is melting when the temperature rises. The ice is bound to glaciers in Greenland and the two polar regions. Generally speaking, the ice is melting everywhere to some extent. The glaciers have always regulated the Earth's temperature, like a sort of thermostat. The white surface reflects the sunlight back to space and does not take part in the global energy audit. When the ice melts, the white surface is replaced by open water or soil, which attracts more energy compared to before the glaciers had melted and creates its own self-reinforcing effect. In the Arctic region around the North Pole, the ice is decreasing day by day. This is both in a horizontal perspective but also in total volume, which is an indicator of how thick the ice has become. The thinner the ice, the more easily it will melt. It is only a matter of time before the North Pole remains free from ice during the summer period. Greenland's ice cap is continuously melting, and if the temperature continues to increase, the melting might accelerate. It is also the case in Antarctica, but here the severity of the situation is less clear. The west part of Antarctica, facing towards South America, is experiencing high levels of deglaciation. The situation is more complicated in the East Antarctic, where the results are also not clear. However, the latest scientific research indicates that the ice cap here has become more unstable and more ice is breaking off into the ocean. The melting ice in the Arctic regions is catastrophic for the animal kingdom, in particular the majestic polar bear. The ice is of great importance when polar bears go hunting for seals. The thin ice can easily break into smaller pieces, leaving polar bears stranded and drifting off into the sea. If the ice continues melting at the same pace as now, up to 30% of the current polar bear population could disappear.